everyone, welcome to Blue Mountain in the Shenandoah Mountains in Front Royal, Virginia. I am at my parents' house and this is the first video I am doing where I am talking about my newest project where I'm going to try and help them with this whole area you see behind me, planting things that are extremely low maintenance and that are native to the mountains of Virginia. And really what we want here are things that can deal with this dry earth, very dry soil. I'm surrounded by oak trees. It is rocky. It is harder than all get out to dig in here, so we'll probably have to do some things from seed. So anyway, I just wanted to show you around a little bit and show you what I am looking to do here out at my parents' house. Okay guys, the sun is just about to go over the ridge. So I'm going to back up here and show you what we're dealing with. This over here is the area where I want to start with because I have that black gum tree. I want to put it where they can see it from the porch, especially in the fall. My mom and I were thinking about starting in this area. We would come out and we're just going to take a little area and then come back in, bring it out big enough so that we can put the tree in and just start there and see how we can manage the plants over a season. And if things are working and looking good, then we'll continue to go down the side of their yard down to about here, and then all coming back all the way to this tree line. This is the whole area they have been trying to grow grass for so many years, and this is not where grass is ever going to do well. And I can show you the ground here. It is just dry, huge rocks and gravel everywhere. This is going to be a lot of work. This is where the woodland edge is now. We're just going to bring that in. We did a lot of work up in here. I'm not sure how much actually made it. I know there's a lot of golden ragwort, but I wish, I'm almost thinking he should bring these leaves and bring them back over into my area. I guess the next time I come out here, what I'll do is I'll just mark what the area and maybe just get some of these leaves and bring them back out. See, we had made a bit of a path here and there should be some golden ragwort down here somewhere. Oh yeah, here it is. So if the golden ragwort can do well there, we definitely need to encourage that on the other side of this little border that we made. Here's some more over here. Yeah. I really think this could be such a beautiful area that we can give back to the earth and stop trying to plant grass. They do have a pretty spectacular sunset most evenings. Eventually we'll have to get down in there. So that is it for today. I just wanted to do a really quick video and just give you an intro to this project that I'm really looking forward to working on with my parents, and I will introduce you to them in a future video. And I'm really kind of nervous though because I've worked in their ground before and it is so rocky. I even purchased in the past only plugs so that we could just be planting the smallest plants possible, and even that was really hard to do. So we may be doing some seeds. Anyway, thank you guys so much for checking in with me here in Front Royal, Virginia in the Shenandoah Mountains, and I will see you again next time. Okay, and here is Violet's cameo. Come on, Violet. Hello.